It is very important, and it is a clarion call for all our patients who are seeking these specialized services. Please take advantage of this madaktari mashinani, get registered, come to the center where we will announce to the media where we will be next, so that you are booked early enough for the clinic and you plan to get your SHA registration done, or you are also able to get your SHA issues sorted out. And in case you are at home and you've been having health issues for a long time, and maybe you're not able to afford the health care, or you are too far from Embu level 5 to get to be able to go for the health care, make sure that as we go around with the madaktari mashinani, come to the clinics, and we will be able to assist you with SHA registration, and we'll also be able to see a specialist who will take care of that long-term standing issue.
Nareta mutumia wakwa thibitari na no arorwo ni ndagitari iria iraekuo na nima muvura mbica koguo ni mandethia na njira imwe nene muno uria ningiakorwa na ningiavuta kuthii Kenyatta no ni mambo kwandi na Kenyatta kiu ni rai muthiei koguo ningivoya ngai atiriri turetagirwo ndagitari wa mweri maita mana ni undu wa andu aria mai na thina ya miri na mai na thina ya mbia.
Nie niraukite nundu wa guturwa ni mukurukuthu ngunde ndawa na nina kundua na uga mwathani arogocwa nundu nina kunda wana wenge no gukunda tutinerwa gutire iye kwe ni twanywa ningiuga ngai arathime utotina le bwana endururua na tutiaurio nae mwauma goka muthiete wai na ni twakena
nitokora tukireta na mĩrimũ menge miriri nitokora mone kuthie kuri Embu nitondu sometimes no ndo amatha wana kana maundu mama mirithire nwaru umuthi nitwiyumiririe nitondu umuthi niturugamiritwe ni thirikari yetu ya Embu na ninginyire kiroko abatha ithatu igemarire muno na mabuva yakwa na namberiria kuhudumiwa na nare ya kuriva nundu waki nitondu ninkoretwo ni wa kuregister na SHA
twathi uguo no kwithira mathina maria marauraga andu mĩrimũ ikimenyeka kavinda karivo nekavota kuthondekwa tuvote kwa twina vinya tuvote kuruta wira nundu wira niguo ngitutethia tuvote gukuria irio wega tutari na thina ya mwiri na niguo kinya muturire wetu etagwa life expectancy ikorwo ni athie iguru